Line ear protection in place. Load and make ready for qualification. Shoot at the 25-yard line, course of fire. On the turn of the target, you'll assume a strong side, kneeling, barricade support, strong side, kneeling, barricade support position. Fire 2 rounds, center mass in 5 seconds. Is the line ready? Line is ready. Decock and stand. On the turn of the target, you'll assume a standing, strong side, barricade support. Standing, strong side, barricade support. Fire 2 rounds, center mass in 5 seconds. Line ready? Line is ready. Here's 25-yard line, course of fire. On the turn of the target, you'll assume a standing, weak side, barricade support. Fire 2 rounds, center mass in 5 seconds. Line ready? Line is ready. Decock, step out behind your barricade. Shooter's 25-yard line. On the command to walk, we will move forward to the 15-yard line, keeping the target covered. At the 15-yard line, on the turn of the target, you'll fire 1 round standing, 1 round kneeling in 6 seconds. 1 up, 1 down, 6 seconds. Is the line ready? The line is ready. Walk. 1 up, 1 down, 6 seconds. Stand and skin. No additional targets. Decock make point safe, hold secure. Line safe. Line is safe. You restrict being cooking their drop. Move forward to the 7-yard line. Shooters at the 7-yard line, course fire. On the turn of the target, you'll assume a 2-hand tactic shooting position. Fire 4 rounds, center mass in 4 seconds. 4 rounds, center mass, 4 seconds. Line ready? Line is ready. Scan left, scan right. Check the 6. No further targets. Decock. Make your weapon safe. Holster secure. Line safe. Line is safe. You're going to come in equipment and drop. Stand by. Stand in for this side. Line is safe. If any equipment may drop, move forward to the 5-yard line. Shooters, 5-yard line, course fire. On the turn of the target, you'll assume a 2-hand tactical shooting position. Fire 3 rounds to the body, 1 round to the head. 3 rounds, center mass, 1 round to the head in 4 seconds. Line ready? Line is ready. And when that's in right, no additional targets. Decock, make your weapon safe, hold it secure. Line safe. Line is safe. If any equipment, move forward to the 3-yard line. to me. Two hands tactical shooting position, fire 3 rounds. Transfer the weapon to the weak hand, fire 3 rounds, weak hand only. 60 rounds in 6 seconds. 3 two-hand, 3 weak hand only. Is the line ready? The line is ready. If there are no further targets, decock makes weapon safe, hold secure. Line safe. Line is safe. Equipment move to the 3-foot line. Here's the 3-foot line. On the turn of the target, you'll select 1 hand, close combat. 1 hand, close combat shooting position. Fire 3 rounds, center mass in 2.5 seconds. Is the line ready? The line is ready. Scan for additional targets. If there are no additional targets, drop magazine lock, slide the rear, show clear. Once you've been cleared by a safety officer, decock makes weapon safe, hold secure.